Are you ready to transform your classroom or office space into a Halloween masterpiece? Imagine a bulletin board so creative it sends shivers down your spine, all while keeping things fun and inviting. Whether you're planning a spooky design for the little ones or a more stylish, adult-friendly Halloween theme, I've got the ideas that'll make your space the star of the season. Stay tuned as we dive into 6 spine-tingling, yet fun and easy Halloween bulletin board decor ideas that you can create today. How can I make a Halloween bulletin board that is perfect for an office setting? For a more sophisticated or mature setting like an office, you'll want to keep the design sleek and stylish while still embracing the Halloween spirit. Black and white elegance. Stick to a monochrome theme with black and white. Use intricate silhouettes of haunted houses, witches, and cats against a stark white background. Add subtle elements like metallic accents for a modern touch. Minimalist spiderweb. Create a large, minimalistic spiderweb using black string or yarn on a white background. Pair it with small black spiders or paper skeletons for an eerie, yet professional look. Autumn harvest with Halloween flair. Mix Halloween elements with the fall season. Use pumpkins, fall leaves, and golden accents. Then add subtle Halloween features like mini witch hats or black cat silhouettes to blend autumn with Halloween fun. Share your own office Halloween decor ideas in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're spicing up your workspace. What are some spooky yet child-friendly Halloween bulletin board decor ideas? Child-friendly Halloween bulletin board ideas should be both spooky and fun to capture the attention of younger audiences. Here are 3 ideas that balance the eerie with the playful. Pumpkin patch scene. Use orange and green paper to create a pumpkin patch with each student contributing their own decorated pumpkin. Add friendly ghosts or smiling scarecrows to keep it lighthearted. Haunted house with windows. Cut out a haunted house from black construction paper with interactive windows that students can open. Behind each window, there could be images of cute monsters, witches, or even their favorite Halloween memories. Flying bats, night sky. A simple but effective design. Create a night sky with a large full moon and lots of bats made from black paper. For an interactive element, students can write spooky words or phrases on the bats. If you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to hit that like button to let me know you want more creative decor tips. What are some interactive Halloween bulletin board ideas that get kids involved? Interactive bulletin boards engage students and make the decoration process more fun. Here are 3 ideas to involve kids directly. Build a monster wall. Provide different monster parts like eyes, legs, etc., and let kids mix and match to create their own monsters on the board. This can be a group project or individual submissions. Spooky story starters. Divide the board into sections with different Halloween-themed prompts like a ghost appears or the haunted house door creaks open to reveal, and let kids write or draw the next part of the story. Halloween character voting. Display pictures of various Halloween characters like witches, werewolves, and vampires. Allow the students to vote on their favorite by placing stickers or small paper cutouts. For more interactive bulletin board ideas, be sure to check out the description box below, where I've linked a full playlist. What are some educational Halloween bulletin board ideas for a classroom? Halloween-themed bulletin boards can be both fun and educational. Here are a few ideas that combine learning with holiday cheer. Spooky math problems. Create a haunted math board where students solve problems to escape the haunted house. Decorate the board with ghosts, spiders, and pumpkins, with math problems on each. Pumpkin patch spelling. Each student creates their own pumpkin with a spelling word on it. Arrange the pumpkins in a patch, and students can take turns using the words and sentences during the week. Monster writing prompts. Set up a monster-themed writing prompt board where students can select from a variety of fun prompts, e.g., if I had a pet monster, or a day in the life of a friendly ghost, and post their creative responses. Looking for more creative educational bulletin board ideas? Hit that bell icon to get notified when I drop my next video. How can I create a Halloween bulletin board on a budget? If you're working with a limited budget, there are plenty of ways to create a spooky bulletin board without spending a fortune. DIY paper silhouettes. Create your own silhouettes of witches, ghosts, and bats using black construction paper. Simple designs can be very effective, and construction paper is affordable and easy to cut. Recycled materials. Use old magazines, newspapers, or cardboard to create spooky cutouts like tombstones, pumpkins, or cauldrons. Paint them or leave them in black and white for a vintage horror movie vibe. Dollar store finds. Stock up on cheap Halloween decorations from your local dollar store. Items like spider webbing, plastic spiders, and paper ghosts can be easily incorporated into your design. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly decor hacks for every season. How do I make a Halloween bulletin board stand out with unique design elements? If you want your bulletin board to truly stand out, consider using some unique and eye-catching design elements. 3D elements. Add depth to your board by using cotton balls as clouds, tissue paper for a ruffled effect on ghosts, or real branches to create a creepy forest scene. Glow-in-the-dark accents. Use glow-in-the-dark paint or stickers to create stars, spooky eyes, or glowing ghosts that will light up when the lights go out, giving your board a fun and eerie effect. Movement and sound. If you can, add some motion to your bulletin board by incorporating small motorized elements or hanging objects that sway with air currents. Pair that with sound elements like a hidden speaker playing subtle, eerie music or sound effects. Want more amazing DIY decor ideas like these? Check out the products I used in the description box below. There you have it, 6 spine-chilling yet totally doable Halloween bulletin board decor ideas that will transform any space. Whether you're decorating for a classroom, office, or just for fun, these ideas will definitely get everyone in the Halloween spirit. What idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow Halloween lovers. Now, get decorating, and I'll see you next time.